In this slide, we studied about that phylum Hemichordata. So hemi means half, chordate means string. So this is under the invertebrate, but it having a characteristics of a chordate-like structure. Half of the invertebrate, half of the vertebrate-like structure. So it is the phylum Hemichordata. Can you understand? Okay. Hemichordata, earlier we consist of a subphylum of a chordata or prochordata, but now regarded to be a independent phylum of a invertebrates. So these are the character is closely resembled to the echinodermata, so it is considered as the invertebrates. Okay, but these animals possess a characters of a invertebrates as well as also a chordates. So this is the intro about the hemichordate. Can you understand? So this is the phylum is consists is a small group of a worm like structure. So it is one of the tuberculous worms, so it is commonly is called as a acorn worms or tongue worms. Okay, the body of this worms, that is a bilaterally symmetrical. So this is a triploplastic and coelomate animals. So these are having a well developed organ system level of organization. So this is the consist of phylum is closely resembled to the echinodermata. So this is as consist as a look like structure of the worms. So the worms is called as the acorn worms or tongue worms. Okay, so it's always is lived in marine animals. So this is one of the tuberculous hemichordates. Next is body structure of the hemichordata. So see the diagram. So the body is a cylindrical. So it is having a distinct three regions. So the upper part, that is the anterior part, that is called as a proboscis, and it's having a short collar like structure, and below, that is the posterior, that is a long trunk like structure. Okay, most hemichordates are a ciliary feeders, so it's having always a ciliary feeders. Okay, so this is the body structure of the hemichordata. Organ system of hemichordata. So this is a circulatory system is a simple, and this is a open circulatory system. So the type of the heart is called as a lacunar type. Note it ma, this on underline one word. The lacunar type with a dorsal heart like structure is present in the hemichordata. So it is a character of a characteristics of chordates. Okay, so next is the respiration is paired gill slits and opening into the pharynx. So these type of respiratory system is present. And next, excretion. So the excretion by a single proboscis gland. Where it is present, the proboscis, that is the anterior part. Okay, so the proboscis, or it is a glomerulus, that will be situated in the proboscis using the excretory function. Okay, so this is the nervous system is, it is a primitive like structure. These are the overall about the organ system of hemichordates. Okay, the hemichordates sexes also is a separate, and it's a sexual mode of reproduction exhibit. So this is a fertilization is external. The name of the development is indirect, but it's producing a free swimming larva. Name is called as a Dornaria larva. Okay, what is the name of the larva? That is the Dornaria larva. Okay, so this is overall about hemichordates. Next we study that examples of hemichordates: Balanoglasses, Saccoglasses, and Trichotera flava. So the Trichotera flava, that is the Indian hemichordate. Note it ma, where it is found. This is the Cruzade Islands in Tamil Nadu. Okay, in Tamil Nadu, that is the islands of Cruzade. That is the Indian chordata is found. Okay, what are the examples of hemichordata? Balanoglasses, Saccoglasses, and Trichotera. I repeat the phylum Hemichordata. So it is a half like structure of a chordates, and half will is a character similar to the invertebrates. It is always one of the look like the tuberculous worm like structure, and this is the triploplastic and coelomate animals. The body is having a three distinct regions: anterior proboscis, short collar, and is a long trunk, and posterior regions. So circulatory system is lacunar type with a dorsal type, and respiration having a paired gill slits. and excretion is done by the proboscis gland or glomerulus is situated in the proboscis, and nervous system is a primitive like structure. So it is fertilization is external and development is indirect development. So it's producing a swimming larva that is called as the Tornaria larva. Okay, what is the examples of this hemichordates? Balanoglasses, saccoglasses. So in the Trichotira flava, it's present in the Indian hemichordate. So it's found in Kurizadai Islands in Tamil Nadu. Can you understand? Thank you, ma.